Jonathan.
No problem.
I need one of these.
How much is this one?
$2 grand.
Benny, you got that in your wallet. These are perfect for like commuting, even for back and forth to work.
Test it out, man. See how you like it.
All right, let's see.
You're gonna get roasted in the comments for not wearing a helmet.
I know, right?
What happened? You like it?
I like it. So what I noticed in comparison to my S1, it has less torque, but once you hit like that, you know, a good straightaway, you can get a lot of speed.
Yeah.
I got 28
Okay.
on there, so I think on my S1 I've only hit like 26.5. So it's definitely faster on the top end.
Have you noticed that like 21-ish, you get like a little kick?
Yeah, it's like a turbo.
Yeah, it's
Like a
almost like
turbo
VTEC on a Honda or something. Yeah.
Honestly, the brakes for being mechanical disc brakes are not bad at all.
You
They
think
actually grab better than the hydraulics on my S1.
Okay. You think it's just maybe because they're new too, or was yours like pretty bad right off the bat?
Bad out of the box. I had to change my brake pads to ceramic.
Oh damn.
Brake pads. But this is dope, man.
Oh my bad.
Yeah, man.
I would say you'd ride it, Kyle, but you almost wrecked the other one.
I want one. I want one now.
Well, you got 4. Let him give you one.
Yeah, I'll just let you ride one.
Now, do you have to start pedaling first or no?
No, you don't have to. It has pedal assist on it. All my other bikes never did. So this one, if you pedal, you don't have to use the throttle. You can just pedal and it will go.
Pedaling and it goes?
Yeah.
How fast this one go?
It's supposed to go like 28.
It goes 28?
No, I have a GPS on my phone. It was going 26, maybe 27. But I also think it depends on the weight too. Like,
How far can you go?
died on Clinton in 99, so. And that was at 21 miles. Well, it's fun.
So it's got good range, huh?
It's light like the other one?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's better to pick up from the back.
How much is this one?
$2 grand.
That's perfect for you, Vinny.
Benny, you got that in your wallet. The tires will hold up. This is, I mean...
Yeah, it's the base bones. The only bad thing is you can't ride at night without a headlight or a tail light.
But you could just always get that. You could always
Yeah, check this out. Like, they have the connections already.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, there's one here and one in the back.
You could just always buy that.
Yeah, once they have it available, it's not available on their website yet because the bike is so new. It came out like a month ago.
So then, Vinny, put your phone right up front, man.
With the light?
With the flash.
Yeah, I thought about doing that. I was like, when I got here, I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do at night? I'm going to be in the dark.
Buy one of these cheap flashlights they got here and tape it up on
How
there.
come the tires are so big?
That's kind of how Super73 is. They do fat tires on their bike.
So how smooth it is with these big tires.
And so, where's the battery?
This is the battery, this big black thing, right?
It says 750 watt, 20 miles an hour.
Yeah. That's a sticker that they put on there, even though it's supposed to go 28 miles an hour. And it has, I think, 1,250 watts of power, I believe. That's the peak, I think. The other one, the red one, has 2,000 watts.
This looks brand new. Who'd you get this from?
No, I bought it. I bought it with my own money.
I'm digging the color, man. That's nice.
Yeah, it's called like a moon rock color. It's super, super nice.
It's like the color that new cars are coming out with. You know what I mean? That
Yeah.
clay type.
I wonder
The
why
muter
you
colors.
Get on these tires. And...
The tires are my favorite thing when I got this bike. And if you got the bike, like on the first batch, it came with the red tire liners. Once the first batch is done, they're on back order. The new ones are only gonna have black. So that really makes it stand out to me is the red on the tires.
You know what I like is you could make stuff for like a little bout. You could hold something in the middle or whatever, you know.
Go on the Facebook groups. People do so much crazy stuff to these. People put like ammo boxes on the bottom because they put holes in them and then they screw them down. That's how they put all their storage in. Yeah, people do crazy stuff with these bikes, especially the other one. When you see the other one's more open in the middle. It's a more bigger square, and people put like a bunch of custom stuff in there.
I like it. Nice.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah,
huh?
I'll end up getting one. I could tell I wasn't. Gas prices are going up so high. Why wouldn't you?
Right.
I live close, so I mean I could really be driving one of these.
How many miles is it from here to your house?
4 miles. Yeah,
oh, okay. So I'm riding 6 miles, 5.88 miles.
Well, do you have to be in the bike lane?
I mean, you can't be in the middle of the street. This thing is not fast enough. This one's 100% a bicycle. It's legal as an electric bike. There's no loophole around this thing. This thing is like actual, like legit. You can't get in trouble with this bike.
It's nice. I like the rims too, man. That's the plan.
I like it. I like it. This one's taller for me.
Yeah, it is taller too.
Yeah, see, I like the other one. This is, look at how short I am. I'm short.
It actually feels comfortable to me.
Yeah, but I like it flat.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it is a little bit.
Is this a pedal thing?
Yeah, you can pedal it or use the throttle. Either way, it's faster if you use the throttle at a standstill. Oh, I need to change the setting for him. I think he's on setting 1. I didn't change it. I gotta change the setting for you. I forgot. You see that display right there? Hit the button up 4 times.
Yeah, you know what? I thought it was kind of...
there you go.
It kind of took off slow, and I thought, this one's kind of a dog.
they all kind of take off slow, but this one has more time.
But in one, it takes off real slow, right?
Real bad, yeah. I forgot I turned it off and turned it back on. Looked like he took off a little slow this time, but I'm pretty sure he should be moving. I saw it say level 4 on there. What's up?
It feels like I just took a little ride, you know, on the motors. Get out a little bit, get in the wind. It just feels good.
Yeah.
You know.
Did it say it went up to 30?
Yeah, it got up to 30. It got up to 30 before. It just went slower.
Yeah, yeah.
It was kind of, you know, it took time. It's not like the Sierra, but it is smooth.
Yeah.
It's real smooth. But like this tire, is this the same tire as on the other one?
No, these are more for, you can like 30% off-road, whereas the other ones are almost like streetly just for the street.
Yeah, I mean, I could see where, I actually like the other bike. I mean, I can see this bike's nice. But
just because
I think I like the gray bike. I like the price point. It's nice though.
Yeah.
It does, I mean, of course, who wouldn't like the little tank?
I know, and then you can put your own stuff on it too, like your own stickers on the tank and whatnot. You can, Vinny. I was thinking about putting my logo on there.
These are perfect for like commuting, even for back and forth to work. Price of gas and stuff. So you could tell this is built a little bit better, just a little bit, you know. I could tell the brakes are better on this.
Yeah.
Way better.
A lot better.
Yeah, a lot better.
Feel smoother too. Well, it's kind of hard to say because this is kind of flat here.
Smooth. I think the tires make a big difference, and it's smooth. You're not hitting anything. You got to actually hit a bump to make these go down a little bit. You know.
Yeah, very true.
The fork go down, and then your monoshock, you know, too. Me, if I get a bike, I'm commuting 4 miles. I'm basically regular terrain, and that's what I'm going to use it for, is a commuter, you know.
Do you think it'd be like bad like on your back though if you had the other one like coming to work every day with no suspension? You think that'd take like a toll?
Nah, I don't think so.
No?
That's only 4 miles.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No.
It's just like a regular bike. Just
pedaling it though, be real careful. Just pedal real slow.
Why do I have to pedal? Is that how I turn it on?
You don't have to pedal. You can just pull. You can just push this.
Okay.
Push it real slow.
Okay.
Go left because there's not too much.
There you go.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Go all the way, go all the way.
Thank you, Jonathan.
No problem.
Go.
Oh, see, she already having fun. She way out there.
You got her hooked already.
I need one of these.
I know.
You like it?
Where'd you get it?
You can get them online at super73.com.
How much was this one? 5,000?
No, it was $2 grand. And it does about 20 miles, and it goes up to, it could go up to 28 miles an hour.
See, if you're going around your neighborhood, that's perfect. And then you can just modify. You can
That'd
put
be
like
good
a
for my
basket
brother's
and
work,
stuff.
too.
You just take it right
Yeah.
around. You could always-
Yeah, people like
Sometimes
mount stuff
not very
here.
far from my brother's work. Some people ride their bike there.
Everyone's getting them.
I know, I see it all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, and you have another one just like this one too?
Yeah, the red one that I brought, you might have seen the red one. That one was more.
Like this?
Yeah, it's almost like this. It's almost like
Yeah,
this.
it has a fat
Oh
tire.
no, I haven't
It's got
seen
a
the red one.
little tank on it, huh? Like
Yeah. The battery, instead of it being down here, is right up here.
How fast does that go?
32.
Does it have a sticker like this on it?
Yep, it has the same exact sticker on it.
So this one's rated to go 28, the other one's rated to go 32?
Yeah.
These are still in stock.
This one's in stock, but the gray one is not in stock.
What's the ship time like that? If you order it, how long do you?
Mine took me like 6 days to get.
6 days?
Yeah.
I mean, that's a beautiful bike. That's, I mean, it even looks like a motorcycle. It's a small motorcycle.
I feel so comfortable riding this thing because it's 100% a legal e-bike. The other two that I had, the first two, those are kind of loopholes because they go way faster than they should.
Yeah.
Like this one does go over like the speed limit of 28 miles an hour.
You always wanted a Super 73 though.
Yeah, I love how they look. Hey.
I was trying to scare you. You were like a little rat. You were like.
It felt like someone trying to hug me. That's the battery.
Is that the expensive battery pack?
No, I have this bike's completely stock. The only thing I've done to it is put a mirror on it and then a phone mount. That's all I've done to it.
How fast does this one go?
32. It's not bad. It has a really slow pickup speed. But it's fun regardless. Once it gets up to like 24 or 23, then it starts moving. But it's real slow to get up.
It's real slow to get there.
Yeah. But it's fun though. Still, like, it's like a cruising bike, you know? It's not too bad.
It's got a good shock in the back.
Yeah, definitely. It feels nice and smooth.
Nice big fat tires on it.
Yep. It's on. It's ready to go.
Ready to go?
Oh, wait. Oh, no, I did turn it off. Oops.
The last rider returns.
Give it a second to turn on.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Unlimited mode.
Yeah, dude, I could ride that all day, dude.
Right?
That thing's fun, man.
Yeah. I love it.
Wait till Rennie gets around that one. I bet she's gonna.
Yeah.
That's an hour. Yeah,
But-
this is use the pedals this time. Yeah, it just keeps you right there maintained. You just gotta push it and it, you know what I mean? Keep
Yeah.
That same kind of speed.
Once you're doing 30, yeah, the pedals just kind of
Yeah.
slowly rotate. It's pretty nice.
Look how fast I'm pedaling.
Yeah.
You missed it. Get a wheelie.
You did a really?
No.
It's faster if you pedal and use the throttle to get more speed faster.
Right.
Like I can tell, it's been like 20 years since I've been on a bike. That's crazy. I can tell. Shit. It's a little, like it was easy, but it's kind of scary still because I was like even if I went full, I could totally feel the oh shit, like there you go, like that's obviously faster than I've ever been on any kind of bike. You know?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I could totally feel that. So I was kind of just cautious on taking the corners and stuff like that. Awesome. Well, thank you. I appreciate that, man.
Hey, no problem, man.
Yeah, definitely awesome, man. Super
Oh.
awesome.
I don't know what I was doing.
That's cool, bro.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's fine. My butt hurts though and I'm hungry.
Which one do you like more?
For sure the red one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Get rid of that one.
Why?
I don't know, it's slow.
Well, it's slower. But is it worth another $1,600? Because you can get almost two of these and spend another $400.
That one's not as cheaply made as this one.
Yeah, that's
Like,
true.
it just feels so smooth, like I don't feel as scared going, like, I was going maxed out on that one. And this one I felt scared going maxed out because I just felt like any little bump and I'm just gonna flip over, and this one I felt like, I don't know.
Yeah, no, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'll do with this one. Yeah, that's why I was almost going to drop money in this one and put a bigger battery because it's not as, you can't get as good as range as that one. But then I'm like, I don't know if I want to keep this one, and I might upgrade that one because I really like it.
Yeah.
So I think I might make some upgrades to that one instead of this one. I don't know. Keep it for a little bit, maybe get rid of it. Can't believe I lost my water. So I'm going to drink yours. All right, I'm ending the video. I'm hot. Got to get this helmet off.